This is a song that I wrote. It's called "Little Birds, Little Girls." It's about resilience, especially female resilience. Everything I've ever known, albeit strange and broken, has become a stumbling stone, a cracked and crumbling foundation. Ooh, vanishing act lovers, the magicians, saw the family in half, all the repercussions, decades of awkward photographs, graduations, fumbling down the aisle. But little girls get older, and little birds fly away from the fray. That other world grows colder as we forge a brand new day. Mama, when you left me, I didn't think I'd ever find my way. The birds ate all the breadcrumbs while the forest watched and prayed. Sitting by the fire now, ooh, laughter all around. I guess I survived obliteration like a refugee. Make my home most anyway. When you left, it was a field after the rain. Years of practice suddenly obsolete. Funny now, I don't wanna play anymore, and I won't take the blame. 'Cause little girls, they get older, little birds fly away from the fray. Another year of closure, underpinnings and scaffolding still stay. Could ever find my way. Ooh, shadows still surround me as we clear the cobs away. What if nothing ever broke and everything stayed the same? We never learned how to change. Rearrange, pictures fade in the frame, the familiar becomes strange. Little girls, they get older, little girls fly away, but not today. I find myself grow bolder, finding solace amidst decay. Thank you for listening.